Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Nickel account. So all you need to do is search in Google how to open Nickel account, and then you will find their help center. Now you'll see this page. Open a payment account online, click on open account. This will take you to a new page to do registration. Now you need to choose the country of residence and the language, and then you press on next. Now you will be prompted to do these 4 phases: to scan your identity card, to put your mobile number, then press on open an account in 5 minutes. Then you will receive a 5-digit code by SMS and email, valid for 30 days, and then go to your Nickel point of sale to buy your Nickel card for 25 euros, and after activate your account and card with the retailer and receive your IBAN. And finally, you will receive your PIN code by SMS and your Nickel account is open. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.